Hello and welcome to this helpful tutorial. In today's video, we'll show you how to enable the Data Saver feature in the DAZN app on your Android phone. This setting helps reduce data usage while streaming sports content, whether you're using mobile data or Wi-Fi. Let's get started. First, open the DAZN app on your Android phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top of the screen. Then, select Settings from the menu that appears. After that, scroll down and find the Save Data option. Now turn on the toggle switch under When using cellular to activate data saving while on mobile data. Finally, if you'd also like to save data when connected to Wi-Fi, turn on the When using Wi-Fi option as well. That's all for today's tutorial. By enabling these options, you'll save data while enjoying your favorite sports on DAZN. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful videos.